If you missed the planet parade of April 2022, you've got another golden opportunity to witness the grand celestial alignment that will take place in June. All the 7 planets will almost seem to align in the pre-dawn sky. From the horizon, they include Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. The most remarkable thing about this alignment is that these 5 planets will appear in the sky in the same order as their distance from the Sun. This orderly alignment of the planets is happening after 18 years. The last time they appeared in the sky in this order was in December of 2004, Parade of April. The tiniest planet in the solar system will be challenging to observe in the first days of June because of its proximity to the Sun, fairly visible in the eastern pre-dawn sky after mid-June. The next is Venus, which rules the early morning sky. Venus is the brightest speck of light visible in the east before it's lost to the morning twilight. Further up, you'll find Mars and then Jupiter. The 2 planets will appear close to each other because they had spectacular conjunction on May 30th, when they passed within a few arc minutes of each other. At an apparent magnitude of 0.61 will be a faint speck compared to Jupiter. Finally, Saturn is farther away from Jupiter, shining high in the southern sky. The ringed planet will appear as a faint speck almost as bright as Mars. Jupiter and Saturn are approaching their oppositions, and their brightness will keep increasing as days pass by. As far as the solar system's ice giants are concerned, Neptune will be visible between Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus will be relatively closer to the horizon, between Venus and Mars. Of the alignment, be at your viewing spot about 30 minutes before sunrise. Grand celestial alignment will be visible throughout the second half of the month. The best date to see this show is June 24th. If you're not an early bird and just want to see this parade once, mark this date on your calendar. That's because on June 24th, the 25-day-old waning crescent moon will join the parade. The moon will lie between Mars and Venus, filling the large apparent angular gap between the 2 planets.
All have seen this cartoon depiction of this so-called universal called system, the heliocentric model, again, that we supposedly live in, which is complete utter nonsense. And you see the so-called planetary alignment with Mercury, Venus, the so-called ball Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. And let's get actually a better look here. And here's the major issue. Again, getting back in alignment with Mars and Jupiter. This is 100% impossible. Cannot happen. And this is a nail in the coffin 100% on the whole heliocentric model. Now, I know there will be a lot of people heavily indoctrinated in this whole ball Earth lie system, this heliocentric model. They're going to try to find a way to weasel their way out of this. There's no way to weasel your way